What is up? I'm going to tell you right now why you should change the air filter and keep your Delica diesel happy and how to do it, and we're starting right now. You're very welcome. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell and you won't miss any video. Keep diesel Delica happy. Let's get begin. Here we go. There's a new air cleaner element, aka air filter for the Delica. That's very important to replace it regularly. Pop the hood and see there was a filter located. It's on the right hand side over there, that plastic box. I will recommend you to change the air filter regularly, at least once a year or 10-12,000 miles. If you live in a particular dusty place, do it more frequently. Always check the air filter with every oil change. Okay, undo those metal clips, pull the top up, and as you can see there's a air filter element is inside. It's pretty dirty, it has a good use, and now it's ready to be replaced. Lots of leaves and debris, all dust and dirt build up over time. There's a good quality part, served well for over 10,000 kilometers. Now we're ready for the new one. And those are symptoms. If you fail to replace the air filter regularly, your engine power will be reduced, you won't get the same horsepower, your fuel economy will go down, you will smell some fuel when starting the car, black sooty smoke exiting your exhaust could be, and you even might be able to get some other signs like getting the engine line and significantly reduce the engine performance as well. Okay, here we go. There's our brand new replacement part. Always compare the original part to the new replacement part. Make sure it's matching and put them side by side and compare. It's simple. If you know, it's all good. If it will help someone one day, at least one person, I will be so happy, and that will be awesome. Yeah, as you can see, that element is ready to be installed. You can vacuum any dirt and debris on the bottom of the housing. That housing looks good, not much build up. And place the new filter element there. Make sure it fits perfectly and rubber seal around the filter is fitted. Place the top cover, check the fitment, and lock it down, lock in those metal clips and secure it. Make sure it's not on an angle, it's not crooked, and it fits perfectly flat to the bottom part of the air cleaner box. Right guys, it's simple. I'm so glad to share with you, and that's simple enough. And yeah, take care of your vehicle and your vehicle will take care of you. And especially diesels, they're very sensitive to the air quality, and make sure you're checking the filter regularly. As I said, checked with every oil change and looked around, make sure top of the filter fits perfectly fine. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And if you have any questions or concerns or something's not clear, please ask down in the comments below. Please support my small channel by watching this video or that one or this one on the bottom. And please subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.